A very good morning and welcome back to the markets, everyone. I hope you guys had a well-rested weekend and I hope that you are ready for this week's action. So today is a Monday, 28th of September 2020. My name is Edmund. For today, there will be no significant economic data or event coming out from Asia or the US for today. However, we do have European Central Bank's President, Ms. Christine Lagarde, speaking at 9:45 p.m. tonight. So over the last 24 market hours, which was last Friday, we do see the US dollar strengthening before ending the week for the biggest weekly gain since the month of April. So let us have a quick recap on what happened to the US dollar index and also other major currency pairs as of last week. So we do see again the US dollar ending at a high last Friday. So this was in conclusion to a week where the US dollar has been bullish since a Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and on Thursday it was still bullish. However, it found some resistance and it went to a consolidation phase, touching a high of 94.60 before coming down to find support levels at 94.26. And coming into Friday, Friday morning was relatively quiet. Coming into Friday afternoon at about 4 p.m. local Singapore and Malaysia time, the US dollar moves up from 94.26 all the way to a high of 94.78. Okay, so with the US dollar being bullish on last Friday, we do see the UK pound initially moving up in the Asian trading sessions last Friday. However, towards 4 p.m. local Singapore and Malaysia time, the UK pound comes down from 1.2783 all the way to a low of 1.2688, coming down about 95 pips before having a decent recovery coming up from the support levels to close at about 1.2745 levels. So pretty much a similar story for the euro dollar. Euro dollar found resistance at 1.1678 levels, and then after that started to move down from 1.1675 all the way to 1.1613 levels. Currently, it is also in a consolidation phase. And looking at gold prices, again, we see gold prices coming down since last Monday from a high of 1,954 all the way to a low of 1,848 on last Thursday. And coming into last Friday, gold prices traded within a resistance of 1873 and also support of 1852. Again, this morning the prices are still relatively quiet. They have not gained momentum and volume yet, so we will have to wait until later this afternoon or even tonight to see where the market and volume are pushing the markets in terms of the direction. Okay, oil prices are relatively sideways, also quiet, coming down just about 87 cents last Friday. And of course, a quick look at the S&P 500. It managed a decent recovery as of last Friday, coming up from support levels of 3,220 and closing at about 3,302 points, coming up 82 points. Okay, so it's a decent consolidation and also recovery for the S&P 500 as of last Friday. So again, today's economic calendar will be relatively quiet, so we watch out for this afternoon's movement and also tonight's market movement as the US participants come into play. And markets will start to get exciting towards Tuesday, Wednesday, leading up all the way towards this Friday's non-farm payroll data. Okay, so last point to note is that over the last 48 hours, the US is back on track to negotiate for phase 4 of the US stimulus package, as US House Speaker Nancy Pelosi together with US Treasury Secretary Mr. Steven Mnuchin are back on track for further negotiations. So we'll wait for further updates on a daily basis on events and happenings on the markets, and I'll see you guys again tomorrow for the next market updates. Have a good trading day ahead, and good trading. Take care. See you tomorrow.